Greetings everybody, Ben Beecher here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our page to keep up with all the new inventory. Today we'll be going through this beautiful 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. So we take a look at the front of the boat. You can see the windlass anchor up there walking down the white hull with the blue accent is real sharp. This boat also is equipped with the white sports tower with incorporated bimini top. So you come around to the back of the boat. One thing that's great about these 270 SDXs is this large swim deck. You can see this one's equipped with the gray and black sea deck. So soft on the feet and easy to clean. You have your folding step. Great for sitting on while you're out coving out, or using it as a ladder for easy entry in the back of the boat. Also, to get into the back of the boat, you have this very deep telescoping ladder. You walk into the back of the boat, the thing you'll notice about this is a great big sun pad seating area. This is great for lounging out when you're at coves. You lift up on this and put it into a recline position as well. This side will do it as well. You have USB hookups there as well as 2 cup holders. Back here on the other side, you have your Fusion stereo control, remote control, so you can turn the volume up without going all the way back into the boat. Trim up and down if you keep this on a trailer, and a shower washdown station. Plenty of storage in here, including in-floor storage. As we walk into the boat here, you see we transition into a gray weave flooring. Once again, always easy to clean, stays cool, snaps out if you want to take it out to clean it, and looks really good with this white interior. Plenty of under seat storage in here as well. Dedicated cooler storage. All right, as well as deep storage underneath this seat. Take a look here. Both your port side seating and your captain's chair are bolster seats. Lift up to sit on or flatten them down to ride lower. You have Simrad digital dash on this, touchscreen navigation, as well as a touchscreen upgraded stereo control system. For here back on the port side, you have a nice head compartment, porta potty head that is hooked up to a pump out, as well as a place to wash your hands. Under the helm here, you have a place for your tables. There's 2 tables on this boat, as well as additional storage. Up front here, you have the folding armrests, plenty of storage up here, plenty of seating, as well as your windlass anchor system underneath the front. You also have a washdown station right there. And one nice thing about these sun decks is this front end, this nice wide front end. Not only does it provide extra space for seated guests up front, but a place to easily step on and off of the boat from the front of the boat. Concludes our tour today of the 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Once again, my name is Ben Beecher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Please reach out to us if you have any questions, or visit us online at www.marinemax.com. Thanks, and have a great day.